Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Mia Stamps. I'm Amelia, or Mama Mia to some. So today I'm going to show you a new kit. This is a new kit that Stampin' Up! Has just launched. It's a scrapbooking kit. So excited. I just am going to go through a flip through with it. So just so you know, I have opened it, kind of looked through it, but look at this goodness. Okay, so just to give you a little bit, comes in this cool big box. This is the instructions. Now these instructions are kind of loose. If you look here on this up here, gives you basic scrapbook page ideas. And there are 3 different of those. And then here's the third one. And then this page is 9 more ideas. And it's just a loose placement. I mean, not loose. That's how they placed them. So I'm going to go through this kit with you and show you what everything came. And we'll just get right to it. It gives you the adhesive that you need. This is tear and tape, which is very strong. And then there's some glue dots there. So that's great. Then it comes with this whole stack of 4x6 cards. I'm pretty sure they're 4x6 cards. Let me check. Yeah. So yes. So let me move this box out of the way and I'll kind of show you what cards are in here. So this is a dot. I don't know if you can tell that that's dotted lines. Here's a lovely petal pink stripe. Love this little hearts. So I believe the colors are Secret Sea, Pretty Peacock, Darling Duckling, Bubble Bath, and Petal Pink. That's some Darling Duckling polka dots. This is Bubble Bath, I believe, or Petal Pink. Sometimes I don't know. Love that little plus signs. These are all one-sided. Here is a dot grid. So some of these would be great backgrounds. Some of these would be great journaling, that graph one. This is a very, very subtle ombre. Probably basic beige or here's another ombre piece. This is a very beautiful leafy. Here's another leafy piece. Here is some flowers. Probably should have moved these up a little bit. Well, here I go, moving them up. Okay, look at this beautiful yellow and black leaf pattern. This is roses. Some color wash, I don't know, paint swipes, that's a good word. More flowers. Oh, this is a fun little kind of chevron thing. Okay. And these come all packaged together, and then it has this chipboard to keep them. And look at that beautiful little floral in the corner and another lined thing. So those are all the 4x6 cards. And in the instructions, it shows you how to use them as layering pieces or as backdrops for your photos. Okay, so I am loving these colors. The first part of the kit here that I'm going to show you is the punch out die cuts, and loving these shapes. Look at all these fun tags and just all kinds of shapes that you can use for scrapbooking. You could probably use some of them for card making too if you wanted. So I love this. I'm going to slide these like this. I wish that they had pages of this in all different colors, like color schemes. Like this would be great to put one of these in every single workshop kit that Stampin' Up! Has. Okay, so there's all of those. Just moving things around. Okay, then there's this. All these words, title options. And the cool thing is this kit is, because Stampin' Up! Is an international company, this page comes in 2 other languages. It comes in German and French. So if anybody needs some German or French things, I don't know exactly what those say. And I was kind of thinking that, trying to think of something I could do with those. But anyway, these are awesome. And then there are 2 pages of these things that are meant to be cut apart. I'm going to go in like this. So you just cut down between the things and then use them as layering bits or accent pieces on your pages. Love, love, love. Okay, now for the paper. There, I should have counted how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, not all of this paper, so that's not 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. Approximately 12. I could have counted incorrectly. So let me show you these papers. So this is like a paint swoosh back and forth background. That's so pretty. Okay, love this petal pink stripe. And I think that there are similar things with the 4x4 cards, but maybe not as much. I better put this so you can see. Look at this paint swipes, swishes. Okay, love this chevron paper, so pretty. Okay, here's something else that comes in it. Look at these die cuts. So many different fun icons and shapes. There's hearts. I love the fruit and the florals. Love a good typewriter and a camera and a bike on a globe. Love, love, love. Okay, so that's awesome. And we also get another page of stickers. These are all leafy images in all the different colors. So much fun. Okay, back to the pattern paper. These pattern papers are also one-sided, but this is thicker than, this is more like the weight of a two-tone, Stampin' Up's two-toned cardstock. Okay, love that this one just has, that can make a great focal point. And you could turn it like this, have your pictures right here, have a big title up there. So fun. Okay, this is a fun like distress background. So cool. Okay, this is like a woven textured background. That's crumb cake. This would probably be basic gray or smoky slate. Oh, here's a fun geometric. And if I should probably pull it down so you can see some more of that upper stuff. This is more crumb cake. Love that geometric. These all are great basics for backgrounds. Okay, lovely polka dot. Lovely lines, random lines. Oh, okay, here's another. So there is 2 of this one. I didn't notice that before. Okay, that's cool. And then there's 2 of that one. Awesome, because sometimes you want 2 of the same to make a double page spread. So this is the fun new Stampin' Up! A scrapbooking kit. And it has a specific name. Let me see if I can tell you. Make a Memory Scrapbooking Kit. So if you will follow the link in my description, you I will have this kit linked. And I think this is going to be fun. I hope that they do more of these. I would love to see them come like one scrapbooking kit a month, or even once a quarter, or once every 2 months. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough with all of these fun things. I'm trying to pull out the die cuts. So here's the other languages. Still trying to figure out what to do with those. All of these fun cards that we can use for good stuff. So let me know if you have any questions about this, and stay tuned. I plan to do a scrapbook page, or maybe a full 2 pages using these fun products. Happy stampin'!